anybody have their blue credentials?
Blue credentials, did everybody get their credentials collected?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent.
Yes?
Yes.
Wonderful. Alright, well, we're going to church. Leave your chest home. Let's see. Alright, well, welcome builders. I apologize for the wait and the rush inside, but with the first order around, we never know who we can trust. And we have to make sure you were all the ones we were looking for, but you're here now, so you're safe. So go ahead, take a look around. I know, it doesn't really look like much. It just looks like a bunch of junk and scraps, but this is our home, and to us, this is everything. Allow me to introduce ourselves. This is Kevin, and this is Danny. I'm Sophie, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now, we as Gatherers have traveled across the galaxy, collecting relics from war-torn planets, forgotten outposts, and ancient Jedi and Sith temples. We have dedicated our lives to passing on the knowledge of the Force to future generations, in hopes of restoring balance to the galaxy. We do this to preserve our past, but also to protect our future. And this is important now more than ever because as you can see outside, we are indeed in troubled times. The conflict between the Resistance and the First Order has found us here on the Two. But in troubled times, there's always a call for heroes to arise. Heroes like Luke Skywalker. We've all heard of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes, good. And now there's a new hero. Do you know her name? Rey, yes. Rey has answered that call, just like we believe you all have as well. And that call brought you here to us. And you all sought us out to build this. The lightsaber. Now the lightsaber is elegant and powerful, beautiful and enigmatic. The lightsaber is a direct connection between Builder and the Force. It has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and some of their strongest enemies. And to build one is a long lost and ancient art form. And at its core is one small but incredibly important piece. The Kyber crystal. Now the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. It focuses and magnifies the power of the Force into the blade. And the color of the crystal you choose will reflect the color of your blade. Well, yes, there are many different colors across the galaxy. We have managed to find 4 for you today. And believe me, it was no easy task to get them. How about we start with blue? Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now our spark of hope, Rey. Green. Held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and even Master Yoda himself. Violet. Rare and beautiful, much like the one once held by Master Mace Windu. And red, known as the Crystal of Power. It has been held by Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and today it is held by Kylo Ren. But we're not here for those legends, we're here for all of you. So I want you all to clear your minds and choose the crystal that you feel calling out to you.
Place it right there. Sure.
And most importantly, it's going to protect your fingers from getting acidic. I know these pieces look a little unfamiliar, so go ahead and pick them up. We'll be going over everything together in just a moment. Alright, now that you've had a moment to check them out, let's explore together. On the far left long slot, you're going to find your chassis that will house your Kyber crystal. Sections 1 and 2 are your grips. Section 3, your emitter. Section 4, your pommel. And in Section 5, you'll find 2 matching sets of activation plates. Now, I will be guiding you through this build today, but my fellow gatherers will be here to help should you need it. With all that being said, I think we're ready to go. So, let's build. You're going to start with your chassis and your Kyber crystal. That Kyber crystal is going to go in that center chamber in your chassis. Underneath these vertical vents, you'll feel a spring plate. You can use that spring plate to help you insert your chassis into that center chamber. This is the most difficult part of our build process, so please ask for help if you need it. a good sound. That's how we know everything's working properly so far. If you don't hear that sound, please let one of us know.
Mix that.
Alright, well done. I'm hearing a lot of those misfires. So let's move on to the other end of our trays in sections 1 and 2. You're going to see 4 grips in front of you. You're only going to need 2. One for the front and one for the bottom. Any 2 will do, just pick your 2 favorites. Now this is very important, so I need everybody's attention up here. On all of our grips, you'll see a thicker band on one end. That thick band will always go towards the center, whether it's on the top or on the bottom. That thick band towards the center around your activation plate. To secure your grips into place, you're going to put a little pressure down as you're twisting until you're secured. Starts off and again, twist it all the way down to your grip. Once you've done this, you should have a completed roll in front of you. Either myself or one of my fellow gatherers will come around and inspect your hook. Perfect. Once you're happy, you'll go ahead and place it on that hilt stand in front of you. Either myself.
No? I thought it hit first.
Alright, excellent work everybody. I see some really beautiful hilts out in front of me. Now I need you all to take a big step back away from your workstations because we have reached the most important part of our build process, crystal stabilization. Now we as the gatherers are not force sensitive, so we rely on technology to achieve stabilization. And unfortunately, technology is not always the most reliable and things have been known to go wrong. But don't worry, our fellow gatherers are very well trained and nothing should go wrong today. Right, you guys?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Where is your ship? Perfect.
That's enough.
You pull it out. Reserve it.
Don't worry, hopefully everything goes according this time. Alright, are we all set? Yes, excellent. Alright, now, builders, it is time to forge the bond between you and yours. I thought we were good. Let me fix this.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Builders, the force must be strong in this room. It has to be. And he's right, it is time. It's time for you to forge the bond with you and your lightsaber. So in a moment, I will ask you to step forward to your stations, place your hand on your hilt, and we will all activate as one. So when you're ready, please step forward to your station. Place your hand on your hilt. And all together, activate. Now builders, please raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Raise your sabers high, be proud of your work. Congratulations, all of you. Now please lower and deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for allowing us to be a part of your journey. You are all as unique and extraordinary extraordinary as the lightsabers that you hold in your hands. And in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect the new lightsaber, we are pleased to present you with the saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, this means our time together has come to an end, but all your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you all to make your mark on the galaxy, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be right here telling all of your stories. Until then, we wish you safe travels, and as we say here on the two, till the spire.
There they are.